Hi there. We'd like to verify this. We'll start with the left hand side and verify that it's the same as the right hand side. First we will try and simplify what's on the left hand side. So LHS, we have log to the base 2 x to the fourth 4 to the 3x minus log to the base 2 to the x squared. Now with this we can actually bring down the powers here. We have the 4 and also we have a power of 3x. So we can rewrite this here as 4 log to the base 2 x, and we clear the brackets, and this is a product, so we can write it as the log of this x to the 4th times the log of 4 raised to the power of 3x. So we've done two steps here. We've cleared the brackets by multiplying x to the 4th by log to the base 2, and then we brought down the power. So now it's 4 log to the base 2x. With this, we'll write this here, log to the base 2. We'll write this as 2 squared, and in brackets we have 3x, because that's the index. So, and here we'll write log to the base 2. In fact, we'll bring down this index, which is x squared, so we have x squared log to the base 2 of 2. So whenever we bring down the index or the power, we're still left with a base. Here we brought down 4, we're still left with a base of x. We haven't decided to do that in this step, but we'll do it in the next step. We'll bring down this power. Now it becomes 3 times 2, which is 6x. So we have 4 to the base 2x, add 6x log to the base 2, and we're just left with a base of 2, minus x squared log to the base 2 of 2. Now by property C, which states that log to the base a of a is equal to 1. So once these two, the base and this, is the same, then our answer is 1. So we have here is occurring here, this form occurs here and also here. So we can rewrite this as 4 log to the base 2 x, add 6x. This is times 1, this is 1, so it's 6x times 1, which is 6x, and this is minus x squared times 1, because this evaluates to 1, and this clearly is the same. Let me just rewrite that so it's clear. It's clearly the same as the right hand side. Add 6x minus x squared. Just to recap, we've examined the left hand side, we're verifying using the left hand side. And what we've done, we've written this as the subtraction of the log of the numerator or the log of the denominator from the log of the numerator. Then clear the brackets here, and we brought down the power of 4, we're left with a base of x, and here when we have log to the base 2 of 4 to 3x, we've written 4 as 2 squared, and that becomes the multiplier of the index 3x to become 6x. And here we brought down a power x squared in front of log to the base 2 of 2. Now this becomes 6x, which we have here, 6x log to the base 2 of 2. And this remains as it was in this step. And we have x squared log to the base 2 of 2. Now log to the base 2 of 2 is in this form, property C, which is equal to 1. So this is the same as 6x times 1 minus x squared times 1, which gives us 6x minus x squared. This remains the same, which verifies that it's the same as the right hand side. This is Alistair. Thanks for watching.